Hello children, today we are going to discuss the book exercises of chapter number 7 are soils. So first question, fill in the missing letters to get some words related to soil. 1. A type of sticky earth, clay, C-L-A-Y, clay. Second, loose mud rhymes with shirt. Dust, D-U-S-T, dust. Third, loose yellow substance found on the beach, sand, S-A-N-D, sand. Fourth, living thing that has leaves, plants, P-L-A-N-T-S, plants. Now B part, write T for true or F for false. Soil formation is the fast process, false. Second, alluvial soil is less fertile, false. Third, black soil can hold a lot of moisture, true. Fourth, red soil is found in the northeastern states, true. Fifth, bricks are made from red soil, false. Now C part, read the clues and write the soil types. First, formed due to deposition of silt along river banks, that is alluvial soil. Second, formed from lava rocks, black soil. Third, red colored soil, that is less fertile, red soil. Fourth, formed when minerals are washed away from the soil, laterite soil. Fifth, soil rich in humus, mountain soil. Sixth, sandy and infertile soil, desert soil. Now the D part, circle the correct words. So first, alluvial soil is fertile. Second, cotton grows well in black soil. Third, laterite soil is found in areas that receive heavy rainfall. Fourth, hill slopes have mountain soil. Fifth, due to soil erosion, the soil becomes infertile. Now the E part, other than erosion, soil also loses its fertility due to pollution. Put a tick against the ones that pollute the soil, put a cross against the ones that do not. First, fallen leaves do not pollute the soil, that means cross. Second, chemical fertilizers, tick, that means they pollute the soil. Third, broken bottles pollute the soil, that means tick. Fourth, sewage, ticked because they pollute the soil. Fifth, car batteries pollute the soil, that means tick. Sixth, banana peels, cross because they don't pollute the soil, used as manure. Seventh, juice canes, tick because they pollute the soil. Eighth, vegetable peels, they don't pollute the soil because they used as manure. 9. Polythene bags, they pollute the soil. 10th, natural fertilizers, they don't pollute the soil, that means cross. Now the F part, mark and label the states on the map of India given on page number 133. First, a state where black soil is found. Second, a state where mountain soil is found. As you can see the map here in this slide, the green portion, the green block named as mountain soil, that is the area of Jammu and Kashmir, and black soil, it is marked with black color, and this is the area of Madhya Pradesh. So here you can see both the areas where these soil can be found. Thank you so much.